Hi guys, what up? So, if you are looking for a Reddit scraper tool, I have the perfect solution for you. Yeah, I wrote a Reddit scraper tool myself, so I used Python and JavaScript to write this tool or to create this tool. And yeah, I think Reddit is perfect if you want to use it for marketing, or if you want to search for specific questions or specific problems that people have. Then Reddit is the perfect source to find this. And yeah, to make it very easy, we can use my new Reddit scraper tool. I want to show you how this works. So this is yeah, relatively simple. All you have to do is of course download my Reddit scraper tool. You find the link in the video description down below. The Reddit scraper tool I exported for Windows computers and also for Macintosh computer. So yeah, you can use it on Windows and Mac. So, and after you downloaded my tool, you go to this website, all the links in the video description down below, and to this website, rapidapi.com. Here you have to make a free account. Simply make an account with your email address and a password, and then you will go to this website. I will put, like I said, all the links in the video description down below. And here we need an API key. So we have to use this API key, Reddit scraper. I don't know why this tool only had 3 stars. I really like this API key here. And here you can see we have different plans here. Let me click on the plan structure. So I am right now on the free plan. So I think the free plan, or for my use case, is more than enough. You can see it's $0 and you will get 100 API calls per month. For me, it is, yeah, like I said, more than enough, 1,000 requests per hour. If you need more API calls to Reddit, then yeah, you have to pay for this. You can see the pro plan, 40,000 API calls per day, and yeah, or even go higher. But you can simply go to the website, make a free account, and then yeah, choose the free plan. And with the free plan, you will get the API key. So let me go back, and then all you have to do is go to, or you will get redirected to the page, to the right page, where you can find your API key. Here, this is the page, and then you have to copy the API key. You can find the API key here under X Rapid API key, or you can find this here in the code snippet. And yeah, then simply copy this API key, and then we will go to the tool. So let me open the tool. Wait a second. This is the window. So if you go to my website and download the tool, you can download both versions for Mac OS or for Windows. So I am right now on Mac OS, and I will show you this in Mac OS. So when I open the Mac OS folder, of course, first you have to unzip it, and then you find different files. So the files for Mac, or the start file for Mac OS is start.command. And for Windows, let me open the Windows folder. It is start.bat. And let me execute the start.command. So simply double click here, and then the terminal window, the server will start, and it takes a while. So now we are here in the Reddit scraper. This is yeah, really simple dashboard. Here, first you have to go to settings here on the left corner. And here you have to input your Reddit key. So I think, let me see, I already put in my Reddit key. Yeah, you can see here in the terminal window that opened, checking API status is true. You can see we are going with localhost on the port 3000. But the file will do everything for you. The same is for Windows. So this is the Mac terminal. And yeah, then after you put in your Reddit API key, then you simply click on Save API Key, and then this API key, will get stored on your local machine, on your computer. Then we go to back to dashboard, and here you can see I made some pre-made questions here. You can simply use one of these questions. For example, I use these questions relatively often to search for problems customers have, or something like this. Or you can put in different keywords, different phrases here. You see here you can sort by relevance, hot topics, new topics, top or comments. You can search you can filter by time, past year, past month, past week, and so on. And then let me put in, or let me choose one of these questions. I can figure out how to. Let me go here, and then you can see here search post or search comments or search for both. I will search now only for post. So this means that this tool, the scraper tool, will search the title of the post, and then I will click on search, and now the program will run in the background, will make the right API calls to Reddit. And this takes a while, or this can take a while. And here it is. So now you can see this tool is working. The Reddit scraper is working. Here you can see the title of the post. You can see in which category. Of course, you can filter by category, like I said, and the date, the time. You can filter everything, and then you can scrape Reddit as often as you want. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And if you found the video informative, if you liked the video, if you learned something new, I would appreciate if you press the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel. And so then that's it for the videos. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.